everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and we are getting ready to start a new series. This is a 15-day series, and it combines my love of my two favorite hobbies, crochet and plants. So every day for the next 15 days of this series, I'm going to introduce you to one of my beautiful plant friends, and I'm also going to introduce you to some really fun crochet patterns that kind of go along with my friends. They're kind of inspired by my friends. So my first friend that I'm introducing you today is Cookie Monstera. This is a Monstera deliciosa, and it is one of my biggest plants. It might be my biggest plant. I'd always wanted a Monstera, and I was so excited when I got one a couple years ago. She has grown an awful lot, especially last summer. She spent on the porch growing and growing like crazy. But you know, we're coming into the spring, so she's been inside all winter and she's ready for some sun, just like me. All right, let's get to the patterns. So Monstera patterns. My first Monstera pattern that I found, and don't mind me, I am just looking at my computer, was by Connie Rockcliffe. I found this on Ravelry. This is an English pattern. It's written in English, but it is available for £6.49. I don't know how British money works. Anyway, I'm not sure what that conversion rate is for US dollars, but I love this pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. She uses thread to make it. It is listed as advanced level for skill level, but when you see this from a distance, I think you would honestly think it was a genuinely real plant. Okay, so let's move on to my next idea that I found. All right, the next idea are these beautiful Monstera leaves wall hanging, and this is by Heart Hook Home. I love Ashley's patterns from Heart Hook Home. I swear there's always one in one of these series. There's at least one Heart Hook Home idea because Ashley's just amazing and she's so creative. So the Monstera wall hanging is another one that I absolutely love, and if you're a Monstera fan, you might really enjoy making this. All right, my next idea is I found it on Ravelry.com. It's by Natalie Canova, and this is a beautiful sweater. It's the Mosaic Monstera sweater pattern. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, if I were making this, I'm not sure I would use the same colors that they used. They have this gray and almost a teal blue for the leaf. I'm really a green gal. I love the color green, so I think I would probably keep that. This pattern is available in the United States for $5.49. It is written in 2 different languages. It is written in English as well as Dutch. So there you go. If you are a Dutch speaking person, maybe you'd prefer to have it in Dutch, but it is also in English. Okay, everybody, so that's going to do it for day 1 of the Crochet for Plant Lovers series. And like I said before, that was Monstera. So say goodbye, Cookie. Goodbye. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow for another really fun idea. Bye-bye.